Hey everyone, this video is going to be 2.2.1 editing cell contents, and I already have prepared a bit of data from the previous videos, and I encourage you to watch them if you have the time. And I'll just show you how to edit the contents of a cell, which is one of twofold options you have. One is, you see how up here you have the formula bar. Once you selected the cell you want to edit, in this case just this one, you can just click in here and make any changes you want. You can type in something, I know I mistyped that, I don't care, and then hit enter and see it has changed. And you know, you can always come back in and make adjustments and do the same, select and delete. I'm just using backspace, and type in euro. The other thing you can do, any one cell that you are on, and don't do this with selections because it won't quite work the way you're expecting it to work, you can press F2 on your keyboard and see how it now looks different in terms of formatting than the previous moment was. And you can just, you know, do the same thing, type in USD and hit enter. So you can either do it up here or you can do F2 on your keyboard. The next video will be working with undo and redo commands, so do watch if you don't know how to use them. Thank you.